Hey there, this is Ryan from TradeGenius.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy Avax or Avalanche's coin with Apple Pay or any other token seamlessly. So, the first thing that we need to do is click deposit. Now, once we click into deposit, we want to use the Coinbase option here, and they allow for up to $500 per week, no KYC on ramping. So, you can use Apple Pay and credit or debit card and do that pretty much instantly. So, no KYC, put your credit card in, get up to $500 a week in less than 30 seconds. Once you do that, you will get Solana or Avalanche directly in your account. From there, you can actually swap. So if it's Solana, you can swap that Solana directly to Avalanche in just a few seconds. So if we want to do $40, generates a quote, and literally in like less than 30 seconds, you're able to submit an order and obtain Avalanche in your account. And this account is self-custodial, so you have full autonomy over it at all times. You can click into settings, wallets, and download your private keys. From there, you have full access to all of the chains that Genius supports, so you can buy any token across Avalanche, Arbitrum, Solana, Sonic, BSC, Base, and more. And you'll be able to see your full portfolio below, so you'll be able to see the Avalanche coin that you hold. You can flex it, as well as all of the other tokens that you may have in your wallet that you swap to. This is your main swapping interface, so you can then swap your Avalanche into any other token, as I mentioned. If you want to swap your Avalanche into, let's just say, back to Solana, you can do so. You don't have to worry about gas fees, bridging, any of those types of things. They're all abstracted away. So this is how to buy Avalanche with Apple Pay and have full control of your funds at all times. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.